It was a cold and rainy day, much like today, on the morning of January 28, 1986. Millions of people turned on their televisions to watch the 10th flight of the Space Shuttle Challenger. This fateful moment would forever shock the world and change American views on NASA and the space race. I'm here with Sam Etchings, a NASA engineer. So Sam, why was launching the Challenger such a dangerous decision?
Well, there were numerous reasons why the shuttle should not have been launched on that date. First, the temperature for this launch was at a cold 31 degrees Fahrenheit, the minimum temperature permitted for a launch. A decrease in temperature highly increases the chance of a malfunction in the O-rings of the shuttle.
What function do the O-rings serve?
The O-rings are rubber fuel joints that were made to contain the extremely high-pressure gases produced by the burning gas in the fuel storages. With low temperature, minute cracks can form on the rings, and a strong seal cannot be formed. That alone could cause the shuttle to burst into flames.
Though that is the scientific reasoning behind the disaster, much of the blame can be placed on the NASA directors and their haste to get the launch off.
Sir, we have to delay this mission again. The weather is too cold and wet for a safe launch.
No, we cannot delay it anymore. It's already been pushed back 5 times and the Vice President is coming to watch. It has to be today.
No, you have to listen to me. It is highly plausible that the cold weather will cause a malfunction in the O-rings. The results would be catastrophic.
I'm sorry, but the mission is going forth as planned, so get out of here.
Despite the dangers of this mission, it ended up proceeding on the 28th of January with a crew of 7 astronauts, including Krista McAuliffe.
Krista McAuliffe. Krista McAuliffe was the first and last teacher in the space project. This project was introduced by Ronald Reagan in 1984 to spark interest in spaceflight.
All of America will be reminded of the crucial role that teachers and education play in the life of our nation. I can't think of a better lesson for our children and our country.
Over 11,000 teachers applied for this position. It was to be the first time that any ordinary citizen was to be launched into space.
Finally, the day the launch arrived.
This is Major Tom to ground control. I'm stepping through the door, and I'm floating in a most peculiar way, and the stars look very different today. For here am I sitting in a tin
rocket booster engine gimbal now underway. T-minus 15 seconds.
Loading up main engines. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Liftoff. Liftoff of the 26th based on the mission, and it is cleared the tower.
Control program confirmed. Challenger heading downrange.
I'm feeling very scared, and I think my spaceship knows which way to go.
Normal throttle.
Tell my wife I love her very much. She knows.
65% shortly.
Ground control to Major Tom, your circuit's dead. There's something wrong. Can you hear me, Major Tom? Can you hear me, Major Tom? Can you hear me, Major Tom? Can you hear? Am I floating on my
So the 25th Space Shuttle mission is now on the way after more delays than NASA cares to count. This morning they looked as though they were not going to be able to get off.
15 seconds. Velocity 2900 feet per second. Altitude 9 nautical miles. Downrange distance 7 nautical miles.
Sadly, only 73 seconds after the launch, the shuttle broke apart into several sections. The crew did not die instantly. It was not until the shuttle fell into the ocean that all 7 members of the crew lost their lives.
I was so shocked and confused. I was not sure what had happened for a while because my view was blocked by TV cameras. But I was able to see a short burst of flames and then a cloud of smoke. It was truly terrifying.
Immediately after the disaster, NASA shut down any further space missions for the next 32 months. An extensive investigation was ordered to look into the causes of the catastrophe. Questions were raised as to the safety of spaceflight and if it was in the best interest to continue missions.
This tragic disaster was a turning point for NASA. After that day, new safety precautions were put into place to ensure the safety of the astronauts. Space travel will always have its risks, and the Space Shuttle Challenger will always serve as a reminder of the cost that can come with technological advancements. The crew of the Challenger will always be remembered as heroes in the hearts and minds of the American public.